Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between the brand new GoPro Mission 1 Pro and DJI Osmo Action 6. The GoPro Mission 1 Pro is built to push action camera limits with a 1-inch quad-Bayer sensor, 8K video at 60 frames per second, and 4K at 240 frames per second for super dramatic slow motion. On the other hand, DJI Osmo Action 6 focuses on refinement, offering 8K at 30 frames per second, bright OLED screens, 50 gigabytes of internal storage, and strong 20-meter waterproofing. So the big question is, do you need maximum power, or do you need the smoother, all-round camera? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two action cameras and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's kick things off with design, handling, and mounting, because this is where both cameras start to feel very different in real use. The GoPro Mission 1 Pro is the larger and heavier option at around 208 grams with the battery and memory card installed. And that extra size makes room for the bigger sensor, a larger rear display, deeper glove-friendly buttons, improved microphone placement, and a tough 20-meter waterproof rating. It also benefits from GoPro's long accessory ecosystem, which matters if you already own mounts, cages, handles, or bike and helmet setups. On the other hand, DJI Osmo Action 6 feels more compact and easier to manage, weighing around 5.2 ounces with a rugged metal exterior. Responsive buttons, the same 20-meter waterproofing, and DJI's magnetic quick-release system, which makes swapping mounts feel fast and effortless. So if you value lightweight handling, quick mounting, and cleaner daily usability, DJI Osmo Action 6 feels more convenient. Moving on to video quality and frame rates, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro clearly aims to be the more powerful camera for creators who want extra editing room. Its 1-inch quad-Bayer sensor is a major upgrade because a larger sensor can gather more image information, which helps with detail, dynamic range, and cleaner footage. It records 8K at 60 frames per second, which gives editors more freedom to crop into the image, reframe shots, or export sharp 4K videos. It also shoots 4K at 240 frames per second and 1080p at 480 frames per second. And those higher frame rates mean fast action can be slowed down dramatically without looking choppy. On the other hand, DJI Osmo Action 6 offers 8K at 30 frames per second, sharp 4K footage, 4K at 120 frames per second, and 1080p at 240 frames per second, which is still more than enough for most travel, vlog, and sports content. That means if you prioritize maximum resolution, cropping flexibility, and extreme slow motion, GoPro Mission 1 Pro is the stronger pick. When it comes to stabilization and creative shooting modes, both cameras are working at a very high level. So the difference is less about basic smoothness and more about how much control each camera gives you. The GoPro Mission 1 Pro adds a new Sport POV mode, which is designed to handle aggressive movement more intelligently during fast sports, jumps, turns, and high-force moments where stabilization can sometimes struggle. It also adds subject tracking, diving mode, motion blur options, and a wider super view, which is useful when you want that immersive action camera look with more of the scene in the frame. On the other hand, DJI Osmo Action 6 uses Rocksteady 3.0 for very smooth footage across rough ground, riding, running, and handheld shooting, plus Horizon Steady to keep the horizon level even when the camera tilts. It also includes human subject tracking and portrait mode for vloggers. But subject tracking drops to 2.7K, and portrait mode is capped at 4K at 30 frames per second. So, if you value action-focused tools and more creative flexibility, GoPro Mission 1 Pro has the slight edge. Now let's talk about low light, battery, audio, storage, and app experience, because these features can make a huge difference once you start shooting for longer sessions. The GoPro Mission 1 Pro has a dedicated low light video mode, up to 4K at 60 frames per second, GP Log 2, 10-bit color, and a 240 megabits per second maximum bitrate, which means advanced users get more control over color grading and image tuning after recording. It also uses a 2150 mAh mAh Enduro 2 battery, reaches 80% charge in about 20 minutes, and adds stronger audio tools like 32-bit float recording, USB-C microphone support, and separate internal and external recording options. On the other hand, DJI Osmo Action 6 keeps things easier with Super Night, up to 4K at 60 frames per second, D-Log-M, a rare variable aperture from f2 to f4, excellent internal audio, DJI wireless microphone support, 50 gigabytes of internal storage, and a polished DJI Mimo app. So if you value deeper control, GoPro is stronger, but if you prioritize convenience, DJI feels easier. As for my final verdict, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro is the better choice for serious action shooters, professional creators, and anyone who wants 8K at 60 frames per second, extreme slow motion, stronger audio tools, fast charging, and deeper image control. On the other hand, DJI Osmo Action 6 is the smarter pick for travelers, vloggers, and casual creators who want a smaller body, easier menus, built-in storage, reliable stabilization, and fewer headaches. That's all for today's video. Subscribe for more, and comment below if you have any questions.